Hello, my name is Colton Adams, and today I will be demonstrating an abacus lesson. Today's objective will be to use the abacus to solve 2-digit plus 2-digit math problems. Today we have Hannah here, and so she will be the one learning to add 2 digits plus 2 digits on the abacus. Alright, Hannah, so adding can be a challenge, so today we are going to be practicing adding 2 digits plus 2-digit numbers using the abacus here. But first we will do a quick review on setting the abacus. So now I would like you to show me how you set 3 on the abacus.
Okay, 1, 2, 3 in the ones place.
Good job. Alright, so now let's show me how to do a double-digit number, and let's do the number 42.
Okay, I'm going to clear out. In the tens place, I'm going to put up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the single value beads. You said 42, so 2 in the ones place. 1, 2. I'll have 42.
Good job. Now I want you to show me how you set the number 5.
5 would be the upper beads up here that have the value of 5, so I'll bring that down. That'll be 5.
To move those up first.
Say it again.
Okay. So when setting the number 5, you have to move the 4 beads down below up first, and then you'll move the bead up top down.
So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, clear those, and move down my 5th bead up top.
There you go. Good job. And I like how you did that single motion of moving those at the same time. Good job. So what we're going to do first is we are going to roll 2 dice, and whichever number pops up first will be the first number for the math problem. We're going to do a single digit plus a single digit problem first. So let's go ahead and roll that first dice. All right, so you're going to have 3 plus the value of this. So 3 plus 4. Now with addition, you can start with either number you want. So you can start with 4 by setting 4 first, or set the 3 first. It's completely up to you.
Okay, since I rolled the 3 first, I'll set the 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I'll add my second digit. So on top of that, I'm going to add in 4. So I'd add in 1. I would add in 2, so I clear, add in my 5th one. 3, 4. So I would have 1 of my 5 beads and 2 of my 1 values. Adding up together would give me 7.
Good job. Alright, so now that we did that, let's do a 2-digit number plus a single-digit number. So if you want to roll both of those to get your double-digit number. So we have 11. We're going to add that to this value of 1. So a very simple one. Go ahead and show me how you would do that.
Okay, so I would set my 11 first. That was my double-digit number. So if I were counting up to 11, I would go through my ones values first and then get into my tens values. But since 11 is just 1 value in the ones place and 1 value in the tens place, I can put up my 1 bead in each column. And then I would add 1 to that value. So in the ones column, I would add in that first. Move that up, 1. So I would end up with 1 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place would give me 12.
Very good job. Alright, so today's focus of the lesson was adding 2 digits plus 2 digits. So now what we will do is we will roll these 2 to get your first double-digit number. You got 32.
Okay.
And you're going to add it to these 2 numbers. And that will be 43.
Okay, so 32 and 43. So 32 is my first number, so I'm going to set that in my abacus. I'll have 3 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place.
Good job.
And then I add in my 43 on top of that. So if I add in the ones place first.
Good job. You always add in that ones column first, especially with the double digits.
So I have a 3 and 43. The 3's in the ones place. I'll add in that 3. So I'd have 1, 2. The 3 would clear out my ones and move down my 5th place. And now in the tens column, I would add in the 4. So I would have 1, clear out my ones and bring down my 5 for the second one, 2, 3, 4. So then now my number in the tens column, I have 5 and 2 ones, so that's 70. And in the ones column, I've got 5, so 75.
Good job. You are really a good pro at this. Good job. So now, Hannah, what we will do, I have 5 problems written here. And these are all addition problems. We have 1 digit plus 1 digit, 2 digit plus 1 digit, and 2 digit plus 2 digit problems. This is just a check to see how well you understood the lesson. So let's go ahead and start with 3 plus 5. See what you get.
Okay, so we've got a single digit plus a single digit. So I can pick either number to start with. I'll pick the first one you gave me, 3. 1, 2, 3, and set that number. And then I'm adding 5 to that. So on top of that, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then adding together the 1 bead in the 5 column and the 3 in the ones would give me a total of 8.
Good job. Go ahead and write your answer down. Alright, our next problem will be 14 plus 6.
Okay, so I'll set my first number, my 14. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in the ones column and 1 in the tens column for 14. And then on top of that, I'm adding 6, and I need to start in the ones column, adding in that 6.
Good job.
So I'll add in 1, since I already have 4, I'll move down my 5 and clear out the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to have to carry, so I'm going to have to add 1 into the 6 column. So I'll have, and as I carry it, I need to clear that out in the ones column, so I end up with 20.
Good job. Our next problem will be 12 plus 15.
Okay, so starting with my first number, 12, I've got 1 in the tens column, 2 in the ones column, so there's my 12, and then I'm adding 15 to that. So I'll add the 5 in the ones column from the 15 first. So 1, 2, clear out 3, 4, 5, and then in the ones column I'm adding in the 1 from the 15, so adding in that 1 now gives me a total of 2 in the tens column and 5, 6, 7 in the ones column, so I'll have 27.
Good job. 2 more to go. We have 8 plus 11 next.
Okay, so 8 plus 11, I'll start with my first number you gave me, and 8 is all in the ones column. So I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So starting with my 8 there, the 1, 5 bead and the 3 ones, and then adding in the 11. In the ones column, I would have 1 bead that I'm adding together. So bring up that 1, and then in the tens column, I've got 1, so I'll bring that up. And then looking at my total in the ones column, I've got 1. In the ones column, I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got a total of 19.
Good job. Alright, so one more problem, and it will be a double digit plus double digit, which was the focus of today's lesson. So that one will be 10 plus 19.
Okay, so you gave me 10 first. So I don't have any beads in my ones column, so I'm going to leave that cleared out. The 10 is going to be 1 bead in the tens column. And then I'm adding to that the 19 you just gave me. So in the ones column I've got 9 I'm adding in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then in the tens column I'm adding in an extra 1 from the 19. So I'll have 2 total in the tens column and 9 total in the ones column, so that gives me 29.
Great job. Alright, and in tomorrow's lesson we will focus on adding a triple digit number or a 3-digit number to a double digit number.
Okay.
Great job today. Thank you.